started. I thought
German?
you were sleeping.
Good morning. Good morning.
Long time no see.
How are you? What
I'm
been
stressed. Stress ko sa sa school.
Yeah, she's studying nursing.
Language barrier.
Language barrier. Imagine if you're studying and it's German.
It's not easy. Hi and bye.
It's so quick. She got a lot of this. She has more in the basement. It's here. Hans, time to say goodbye.
Time to say goodbye.
Anna, it's
Time to say goodbye.
See you next time.
See you in the next episode. That was a quick visit.
We're going now to
The car.
Switzerland.
Oh.
To the car. Whew. All set and we're ready to go. This is our day 2.
Day 2 begins.
And surprisingly, we didn't plan this one, but we literally have the same. We have the same. We are matchy today. It's our 2 red passports. T-shirt. Like and subscribe if you want. Also, we have here in our stickers and also in my phone. Ta-da! Let's roll. Book. Now we're going to Switzerland to my aunt's place, and it's 7 hours and 32 minutes to go. It means in 8 hours. Need to play the legendary song of our friends. Are you ready? You wanna hear it out loud? Let's go.
I'm relentless, I'll back it for my fans. Life on the edge behind the risk, awaiting great senses. I cannot stand it, no I cannot take it, cause I'm relentless.
Look what I got. Ta-da! You know the last time I had it in the Philippines? There's nothing like this in Denmark at all.
Yummy.
It's apple pie. And we have some fries.
Another pit stop and 4 hours to go. So in the end we're gonna be delayed again by almost 2 hours because of traffic and construction that held us. What can you do? Enjoy the ride. So short.
It's okay.
Another traffic jam in the highway of Germany.
Why is it traffic?
Everyone going to vacation.
No.
So we also going to vacation.
Oh,
So we are part of the traffic.
true. And meanwhile, it looks like I'm chilling in like a villain, but I'm.
Good for you.
Yeah, I'm editing also. I'm editing the vlog.
Another pit stop. for
Another unhealthy food.
3 hours to go.
Deep left. Commercial break. Let's in Switzerland. Yay! Welcome to Switzerland. This is the border.
Hello, Switzerland.
Yay! We are finally here in Switzerland. We're almost there.
Just arrived at Denisa's house.
Yeah, finally.
18 hours of driving. Ah, but we made it.
Finally. Welcome
Yeah,
back.
welcome. The room is ready.
Welcome at Denise's crib.
Your room.
Oh, you go first.
Your room is ready.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, I remember this room.
Yes, it's good.
You do? Oh wow, nice. So pink.
It's like a, it's like a hotel room.
You know, I couldn't find a good curtain, but I thought just enough. So, but first we eat.
Do you remember how to make a raclette, Bob?
Here.
Whoa.
It's been a long time since we had raclette.
Really? Then it's good. It's the idea of Peter.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Danke schön.
Yeah. So.
Nice.
Today from Frankfurt.
Ja. Da kan het
It's like egg. Yum, yum, yum.
Komm, wir nehmen die Lampe weg. Da.
Finally, we can rest after a whole day, a long day. And we have a nice bed here. Ta-da. I like the color, it's pink, and it's already 1 o'clock a.m. at night. Time to sleep. So, thanks for watching. If you're still watching, good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Yeah. Good night. Night.
Good night.